Welcome back to session 10 of the chapter Intelligence. Extremes in intelligence, mental retardation, learning objectives, what is intellectual disability, what are its causes. Session outcome, understanding the intellectual disability, understanding the causes for intellectual disability. Intellectual disability, formally mental retardation, is defined in several ways. First, the person's IQ score must fall below 70. Second, the person's adaptive behavior, that is, skills that allow people to live independently, such as being able to work at a job, communicate well with others, and grooming skills such as being able to get dressed, eat, and bathe with little or no help, is severely below a level appropriate for the person's age. Finally, these limitations must be present before the age of 18 years. The term mental retardation is still sometimes used to refer to the condition of intellectual disability individuals. With this condition may more commonly be referred to as developmentally delayed, meaning that their behavioral and cognitive skills exist at an earlier developmental stage than the skills of others who are the same chronological age. A diagnosis of intellectual disability is based not only on IQ test scores but also on the strengths and weaknesses of the person in adaptive functioning. The onset of impairments in intellectual functioning and adaptive behavior is before 18 years of age. Classifications: mild have the IQ of between 55 and 70, moderate between 40 and 55, severe 25 to 40, and profound below 25. Causes of retardation: unhealthy living conditions can affect brain development. Examples: lead poisoning from eating paint chips, prenatal exposure to mercury, other toxicants, poor nutrition, lack of mental stimulation. The three most common biological causes of intellectual disability are Down syndrome, fetal alcohol syndrome, and Fragile X syndrome. Other causes of intellectual disability: lack of oxygen at birth, damage to the fetus in the womb from diseases, infections, or drug used by the mother, and even diseases and accidents during childhood can lead to intellectual disability. One thing should always be remembered: intellectual disability affects a person's intellectual capabilities and adaptive behaviors. Individuals with an intellectual disability are just as responsive to love and affection as anyone else and need to be loved and to have friends just as all people do. Intelligence is only one characteristic. Warmth, friendliness, caring, and compassion also count for a great deal and should not be underrated. Session summary: intellectual disability involves problems with general mental abilities that affect functioning in two areas: intellectual functioning, such as learning, problem solving, judgment; adaptive functioning, activities of daily life such as communication and independent living. There are various causes for intellectual disability. Accordingly, the biological and the environmental factors has its impact on the intellectual disability. Classification of intellectual disability has been made as it would help the educationists and professionals to recognize the limitations of the individual and train them accordingly as per the requirement.